Hello everybody. Today we show you how to make chow mein noodle. You can buy large box of noodle on Amazon, 17 pounds. Here they are. They called Lucky Boat number 1. Thick noodle. Thin noodle, no good chow mein. This box here lasts my family at least 6 months. I put link in the description so you can buy. Now take out nest of noodles. Add to pot and pour in boiling water. You let noodle sit in boiling water for 5 minutes, then strain. Next, heat your wok and add oil. Make sure wok has oil all cover. Then pour off extra oil. First step, add in your onion. Then add in bean sprouts. Cook them off. Once start to go brown, we will add in some garlic. One clove chopped up is plenty. Now we add in our strained noodle. Like this. Perfect. Now you want to mix it all about so the onion and the bean sprout is all within the noodles. Now add in some soy sauce. Teaspoon of MSG. Mix it all about. Soy sauce gives lovely brown color. Just keep cooking. Next step, more soy sauce. Some sesame oil. Add some salt and some rice wine. Perfect. Now keep mixing and cooking. You can add more or less soy sauce, depends on your taste and how brown you want the noodle to be. We always add in some extra. Lovely. That is it. Easy peasy. Now you are ready to serve. Pour out portion onto plate. There you go. Chow mein noodle. Lovely jubbly. Don't forget, like and share.